Welcome back to our Car Enthusiast series, where we dive deep into the world of automotive tools and accessories. Today, we are going to explore a critical comparison that every car owner should consider: the battle between the air compressor and the air inflator. These two tools are essential for maintaining your car's tire pressure and handling various inflation tests. But which one is the best fit for your needs? In this video, we'll break down the key differences, advantages, and use cases for both the air compressor and the air inflator. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which tool is the perfect companion for your car-related adventures. When it comes to portability and convenience, the air inflator takes the lead. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around in your car's trunk. If you find yourself in an emergency situation with a flat tire, an air inflator can quickly come to the rescue. It's a must-have for on-the-go inflation needs. Now, let's talk about speed and performance. Air compressors are powerful machines that can inflate tires rapidly. They are ideal for larger vehicles or multiple tire inflation tasks. If you are looking for speed and performance, especially for heavy-duty applications, an air compressor is the way to go. However, for regular tire maintenance and occasional use, an air inflator is efficient enough. Versatility is another crucial aspect to consider. Air compressors win in this category. Beyond tire inflation, air compressors can power a variety of pneumatic tools such as impact wrenches and paint sprayers, making them valuable addition to any car enthusiast's toolkit. With an air compressor, you can tackle a range of DIY automotive projects. Let's not forget about noise levels. Air compressors can be quite loud, which may not be suitable for residential areas or late-night emergencies. In contrast, air inflators are generally quieter and more discreet. If you live in a noise-sensitive environment or prefer a peaceful tire inflation experience, the air inflator is the quieter option. Now, let's discuss cost considerations. Air inflators are budget-friendly and accessible for most car owners. They won't break the bank and provide excellent value for their intended purpose. On the other hand, air compressors can be a significant investment, especially if you opt for a high-capacity model. Think about your budget and how often you'll use the tool when making your decision. There you have it, folks, the ultimate showdown between the air compressor and the air inflator. Each tool has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the right choice for you ultimately depends on your individual circumstances. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision for your car-related needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, drive safe and enjoy the road ahead.